Now, how do you change the names on the messages through the iPad? Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, whenever you are browsing, the messages as usual, the names that you see at the top are the contacts that you have saved, right? So you might just check it out, like see the person in there, but you can also tap on that picture at the top and click on the edit button, and you will have the ability to edit the contact information. So in there, you get to change the name, the first name, last name, the email address, and all of the other things, including the photo, right? So that's how you get to change how the messages look, like the people that you are talking to actually show up on your messages application, right? So that's generally how it works, and you can of course perform it for like all of the other like contacts and everything, right? I should also mention that there are some like automated services which might have their own messages and like the names set up, which don't really give you the ability to change it. But usually for the contacts and for the people that you text with, you can change their contact info and make their profile and a name show up differently in the messages. So let me know if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe so you never miss tutorials and quick explanations like this one, and I'll talk to you later.